with Donald. Tonight I'm going to show you how to cook a nice bit of corn food. Corn mince is low fat, low calorie and helps me keep looking absolutely stunning. I won't tell you my age, but I'm absolutely stunning for my age. Beautiful body, fit as a fiddle. In the pan here you can see I've just flung in a bit of corn mince at the moment in my wok here. So here the nice steaming water. I've thrown in some frozen mushrooms at the moment. I've got on a high gas at the moment. When I'm cooking I only use, as you expect from Donald, virgin olive oil. Yeah, like a nice virgin olive oil, yes, very nice and healthy. I also put in a little bit of this, which is sherry vinegar, because I like a drink also. So the sherry vinegar is good. Not too much. Too much acidity brings on the old gout. You know what I mean? We're throwing in a bit of sherry vinegar just to keep the mince moist. There we go. We've also put in a quarter of a bottle of Famous Grouse whiskey. There's none left now. I've got a glass here. Got a glass of. Actually, this isn't the Famous Grouse. This is 12-year-old malt which I'm drinking. We don't put that in the cooking, do we? You have to be mental. Right. So we need a clean spoon here. Clean stirrer. We haven't got one, so we use this old thing here. Give it a check. Remember you came in from work, a hard day's graft, from your 50 grand a year job. You know, you come in, you want to cook something simple, you want to cook it, you want to have a drink while you're cooking it, you want to cook it nice, you know, you want something with a lot of flavour, you know. This is frozen corn mince, which, believe you me, corn mince is better than any real mince you'll buy. You know, I'm not a vegetarian, but my boy's lovely young girlfriend Nadine is, and my boy's going vegetarian now, so, you know, but I'm not a vegetarian, I like my meat. But when it comes to mince, I like corn mince. I will not probably touch beef mince again. I love the beef mince in the raw state, you know, raw, with nothing on. Tastes that little bit nicer and smells. Corn mince doesn't really smell of anything, you know, because I'm going to zoom in with the camera and I want to show you what's happening at the moment. What's happening with this corn mince. I'm going to bring the camera over here, excuse me, there we go. There it is, there's the corn mince.